run these cattle through here, get involved, okay? Get involved, be a part of it, help it, let's roll. If you ain't doing nothing, it'll take all day. You're not leaving until we get the cows work. So there we go. And then we got another group of cows out here that's got baby calves on them. We now officially calve in 2 seasons.
Down their spine. You just literally just put it down the spine, just like that. That's how you do it. Apply. Just keep it on the spine. It will drip down and it will move some, but that's exactly what we're doing. This is an insecticide.
I mean, it's pretty obvious if you look at the weight on this heifer, okay?
It's just one push, okay?
You see the weight on this heifer?
Like if you push all the full, it's one of those.
So that's how we get the numbers, okay? Make sense? All right. So I'm going to tell you 2117.
Right. So right now we are deworming, vaccinating, and then we're putting an insecticide on them, which is like fly spray to keep the flies from stressing the cattle out.
The dewormer cleans the system out, because say if a cow have worms, then the weight won't be as much as if he wouldn't worm.
So we are deworming the calves today, and then we are doing the vaccination for the cattle after. But we are doing now just the topicals. So we will, students are practicing how to measure the dose, how to check the weight, and how to apply that on the live animal.
The deworming is to basically get all the stuff off the back, so you'll start underneath the hide and go back to the rear end.
What did you say the number was?
2124.
2124.
Proud of it. I think I need to go there. Got it? Yep. So then now you pull, do not let go until it ends. Start in the front is. It's like for dog, open the hair, like out. Some of them will have experience at home, and the most part of them are just first time hands-on. That is the awesome opportunity for them. Not all the schools will have the opportunity in their early college life.
This is brand new to me. Like I've never really done this before, so we live kind of in the city, so we don't have ranches very close to us.
Okay, push all of it. Yes, straight in, all the way, squeeze, don't let go, twist, and pull out. Perfect. Spot on.
So yeah, that is for them the introduction and to be able to decide what they will do with their professional careers after that college life.
Yes, sir. So back home when we work cows, we do this sort of thing, just routine maintenance. But it's definitely different here. We've got the hydraulic squeeze chute, which is really nice, and the facility is really nice. And I think that the students getting the hands-on experience is pretty cool. I think it's something that if you're in the ag industry, everybody should have experience doing this and kind of know what's going on.